carbonara with sweet potato starch noodles. AC glass noodles that we found on Amazon. And these are a good alternative to wheat noodles, and even, a lot of gluten-free noodles are pretty gross. And we found that these are pretty good. We're gonna go drop them into this boiling water. Nice. So at the same time while that's going, we're gonna turn on our pancetta. So this is some pancetta we got from, I don't know. And this goes with a little bit of olive oil. There's already some oil in the pan. Oh, we're gonna put some olive oil in this too. You could be super legit and get like only pecorino romano and I don't know, like all the super intense Italian, or you could just use sharp cheddar, and it's about this much. Grated cheddar cheese. We're basically gonna do 2 eggs and then 2 egg yolks. Just regular Parmesan in here. Not too much, just like that much. There's a big chunk in there. Some pepper. Pepper's huge, and it should be ground fresh pepper like this. It's like really important. So that's pretty much our sauce right there. Of course there's like a bunch of raw egg in there, but the whole theory is that the hot pasta will sort of cook that. This guy's looking good. We want the pancetta like nice and reduced. And then this is fine now. This has been boiled for a while now, probably like 5-6 minutes. So the thing here is that we're gonna save a little bit of the pasta water to rehydrate the sauce if it gets too thick. Cloudy. And now we're gonna strain this out. Nice gray noodle. Nice gray noodles. So here's the time sensitive part. So we're almost gonna fry these on that hot pan right there. Get it really hot and then throw it in here and then the sauce on top of it. Okay. So now I'm touching this and it's like pretty hot. Alright, so I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna transfer it. Get this out of the way, we'll kill ourselves. We have this hot thing. Now we're gonna stir this up a little bit before you pour it. We're gonna pour this on. Cheese egg sauce. Now, you just sort of some clumps of cheese in there that I didn't really get, but that'll only make it taste better. Sweet potato starch noodles are the move these days. Jeez. We've tried, what have we tried? We tried like shirataki, tried tofu noodles. It's getting a little bit dry, so we're just gonna try adding a little bit of the spaghetti water in, or this sweet potato water. And not too much, because you could really go overboard. I know a lot of people are doing this with spiralized sweet potatoes, spiralized zucchini. I think this is way more legit. I mean, I think that's a pretty good consistency for carbonara. It's a very elastic substance. It's really creamy. I think it's definitely a adequate substitute for regular pasta, and definitely better than gluten-free pasta or shirataki. I think the issue I have with shirataki is it doesn't hold sauce well. It's really slippery, it just falls off. But this stuff, it just glues right to it. It's really nice. This has been pasta carbonara with sweet potato starch noodles. Bye.